What if I told you Nokia is about to release a phone that could completely destroy the flagship market? And it's priced under $700. You heard that right? Remember when Nokia was the king of phones? Well, they're back. And this time, they are playing for keeps. You're going to want to stick around for this one. First up, the processor. I'm talking the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, the exact same chip expected in the Galaxy S26 Ultra and the iPhone 17 Pro. Nokia is not messing around. Leaked benchmark scores put this phone within 5% of current flagships. We are relooking at a triple-N setup that is aiming to rival Google S Pixel phones. It features a 50-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization, a 64-megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultrawide for photographers. This is an absolute dream come true. Now for the craziest part, the price. All of this is expected to launch for under $700. The target price is somewhere between $649 and $699. That is literally half the price of an iPhone. 16 Pro, you're getting top-tier specs for a mid-range price. A gorgeous 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a super smooth 165Hz refresh rate and incredibly thin bezel. They're also bringing back that legendary Nokia durability with IP68 water resistance, Gorilla Glass Victus 3, and a massive 5,500 mAh battery with 65 West fast charging. For the US release date, leaks are pointing to the third quarter of 2026, probably around September, with a simultaneous launch in 47 countries. And unlike past Nokia phones, this one is getting full carrier support. T-Mobile, Verizon, and AT&T are all reportedly on board, which is a huge deal. On the software side, it's running stock Android 15 with a promise of 5 years of guaranteed update. No bloatware, no lag, just pure, clean Android. They're also integrating end-device AI for things like real-time translation and advanced photo editing, all processed locally for your privacy. Industry analysts are calling this Nokia's make-or-break moment. If they pulled this off, it could force Apple and Samsung to completely rethink their pricing strategies. But let's be real, Nokia has huge challenges ahead. Brand awareness in the US is low, and they'll need a massive marketing campaign. The secret weapon here might just be nostalgia. So many of us grew up with Nokia phones. If they can tap into that emotional connection while delivering modern tech, they might just have a winning formula.